With the development of information technology, data centers and communication rooms have become the core infrastructure of enterprises, governments, and various organizations. The equipment inside the computer room is dense. The operation requires extremely high environmental stability and safety. In the event of water leakage, temperature and humidity, an abnormal smoke alarm may cause equipment failure, data loss, even causing serious economic losses. The traditional manual inspection has problems such as long cycle, low efficiency, and easy omission. It has been unable to meet the management requirements of high reliability of 7 by 24 hours in modern computer rooms. Therefore, it is urgent to introduce an intelligent and real-time environmental monitoring system. Ensure the safe and efficient operation of the computer room. This solution takes the intelligent gateway as the core. By plugging in various types of environmental sensors, realize comprehensive monitoring of multidimensional environmental indicators in the computer room, including the deployment of water leakage sensors to monitor water hazards, temperature and humidity sensors, real-time control of heat distribution, door magnetic sensors, sensing abnormal access, control smoke sensor to achieve fire warning noise sensor, real-time monitoring of environmental noise in the computer room. The intelligent gateway collects and uploads data to the cloud platform or local system uniformly. Realize real-time display, abnormal alarm, historical analysis, and remote management. Build a safe, efficient, and intelligent environmental monitoring system.